Welcome back, everyone. Today is the 23rd day of January 2021. Scott coming back at you with a 2005 Chevy Avalanche black trim panel. You know what that means? It's time for a new trim restoration product comparison test and to see how these products are going to fare in the long term here in the East Texas Elements. I purchased this panel off of eBay for about $200. They're not cheap. Unfortunately, this one has some spots or staining on it, and there's nothing that can really be done about them. So when looking at this panel, we'll just have to look past them, and there's other ones that were available that looked even worse, so this is what we're stuck with. This panel was washed with 100% concentration Simple Green degreaser 2 or 3 times and then dried, and of course we prepped with Gyeon Q2M prep before taping things off. So I'm going to show you the close-up of the products and their labels. So I'm going to go ahead and set this to some music and get back with you guys here in a few minutes. So enjoy. The reason for showing you absolutely every step of the installation is so that should there be a failure early on or something like that, we can reference this video to see how the product was installed. In videos past, I don't always show every step for the sake of saving time, but here it is just in case. As with the other tests of this nature that I do, we will do a first wash on the test start date, which in this instance will be the first day of February 2021. And then we'll do a weekly update for the first month. And then after that, every 30 days until the last 1 or 2 have failed. And we'll probably be around the 1 to 2 year mark, hopefully, and see how things are doing then. But make sure you're subscribed, hit that bell icon so you get notifications when a new update goes live. I have a lot of cool videos and tests planned for you guys this year. I'm excited to show them to you. Coming soon. So thank you so much for being subscribers to this channel. The growth I've experienced over this past year has been incredible. Love to see hit 20,000-30,000 subscribers this year. I think we're well on our way. You know, we hit 10,000 subscribers very recently, and it's gone from there. Thank you again, guys, and here's the rest of the install. And as in videos past, I'm going to keep a spreadsheet of the ongoing failure times. And of course, I'll link to the Google Docs Excel spreadsheet in the link in the description of this video. So there you can find what I paid, more info about the products, etc. And then of course, if you are interested in purchasing any of the products, please purchase them through the links in the description. That's an Amazon Associates link. It does help the channel out. Again, 100% of the money from the ad revenue, the Patreon, and the Amazon Associates links goes right back into the channel. So not doing this for the money, doing this for the education, for myself, for my clients, for our clients, and for you guys. You guys get to enjoy the benefit of it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.